Today we are at a powder coating company, and what that has to do with adhesives we'll find out now. Today it's all about a real chemistry date. Powder coating meets adhesive. At first glance, the two seem far too different for a deeper relationship, but if you look more closely, they actually have a lot in common. In both processes, the plastic is formed directly at the place where it will be used. With bonding, the plastic is created through chemical reactions. Polymerization. With powder coating, the coating powder contains monomers that can react to form epoxy resins, polyesters, or polyurethanes. These melt during curing, crosslink, and form a solid, durable surface. So, powder coating prefers things a bit hotter, while the adhesive is more of a neutral type. But they have something else in common. Both processes require the mechanisms of adhesion. That is the ability of materials to stick to each other. So let's get to the bottom of this fascinating relationship and find out why the two are made for each other. I've already told you a lot about adhesives, but I also want you to get to know powder coating better. It's one of the most efficient methods for finishing surfaces. A fine coating powder is applied electrostatically to the component and then baked on at 140 to 200 degrees Celsius. This creates a robust and durable surface that not only looks good, but can also withstand a lot mechanically. There are two areas in powder coating where adhesives are used. Before coating, that is, during the manufacturing or fixing of components. After coating, namely for repairs, sealing, or additions. Adhesives offer many advantages in the powder coating process. They are a good alternative to welding, because there is no material distortion caused by heat. The adhesive bonds themselves can withstand high temperatures. In addition, they are process safe, precise, and save on rework. They are suitable for applications before or after curing. Before powder coating, you need products that are heat resistant or can be easily removed before going into the oven. I'll just show you two adhesives that can withstand powder coating well. WEICON Flex 310 MHT200. This adhesive can withstand up to 200 degrees Celsius and can be used both before and after powder coating. It bonds, seals, and remains flexible, whether it's rail vehicles, dust filter housings, or illuminated signs. When high initial adhesion is required, we use our WEICON Green Tube Flex 310 M Fix. With high initial adhesion and temperature resistance up to 180 degrees Celsius, it ensures secure bonds, even on vertical surfaces and with many materials. It's important that the adhesives are fully cured before baking. If this is not observed, they can burn at the high temperatures. Additionally, the adhesives must not be exposed to heat for more than 30 minutes. If you want to repair or bond parts after powder coating, I can also recommend suitable adhesives for that. But before you start gluing, here are a few general tips. How can you clean the surface? Yes, cleaning. We keep emphasizing this point. We've even made a detailed video about it before. The surface must be thoroughly cleaned of dust, dirt, and grease. So don't even think about touching the surface with your bare hands after coating. In most cases, it's a good idea to lightly roughen the powder-coated surface. Alternatively, you can use a primer. Both methods improve the adhesives bond. You need an adhesive that is specifically suitable for metallic and coated surfaces. Polyurethane or epoxy resin adhesives are often a good choice. It's important that these are also heat resistant. Why? After all, the component has already been in the oven. But it can also be exposed to high temperatures after coating. For example, near machines, engines, or in hot environments. Temperature fluctuations can also play a role and make an unsuitable adhesive brittle. Now let's talk about the application. The correct application of the adhesive is also important. Apply an even layer to avoid air bubbles and improve adhesion. As before powder coating, you also need to observe the curing time of the adhesive before putting the bond under stress. WEICON EasyMix HT180 is perfect for bonds subjected to high mechanical loads. WEICON EasyMix HT250 withstands high temperatures and forces. Exactly what you need in mechanical and plant engineering. The special thing is that with both products, you can repair or reinforce with pinpoint accuracy without damaging the surrounding powder coating. With the double cartridge, the adhesive can be dispensed precisely so it holds perfectly on vertical surfaces or in hard-to-reach areas. Thanks to the strong adhesion to metal, plastic and ceramic, your bonds are just as stable as the original powder coating. If you need an acrylate structural adhesive, our WEICON EasyMix RK 7000 is the product to use. It provides high-strength bonds even for structurally stable connections and is great for use on vertical surfaces. If something ever needs to be repaired, Repair Stick Titanium or WEICON HB 300 can help. With these, you can quickly touch up spots even on vertical surfaces or large components. There you go, everything stays precisely fitted and stable. On top of that, I can also recommend our WEICON mounting tape in grey. If the components need to be transported or fixed after coating, the double-sided tape is a quick and easy solution. It has strong adhesion on powder-coated surfaces, but can be removed again without leaving any residue. A lasting and close relationship can develop between adhesives and powder coatings. Whether in plant engineering, metalworking, or vehicle manufacturing, powder-coated surfaces are not just nice to look at. They are mechanically durable, provide corrosion protection, electrical insulation, and chemical resistance. And there are over 600 color shades available. In addition, powder coating is solvent-free and long-lasting. Our adhesive solutions often replace welded joints, reduce distortion, and ensure safe and fast processing, even under high temperatures and heavy loads. If you have any questions or suggestions, just get in touch with us. We'll stay in touch.